Parrish. And Parrish.
6 months of directing traffic. Today, I finished a total organizational overhaul of the evidence lockup. Now I'm stuck behind the front desk while there's down power lines, a jackknife. I don't know what I did to lose your trust, but you need every... A noise complaint?
Yeah, boys. Somebody else complained about it.
Hello? Can you hear me? Okay, I'm gonna get you out of there. I'm coming right back. Just hang on. Back up if you can. Never heard of him. Dispatch. Officer down.
Jordan. I'm here.
Okay, easy. Minor noise complaint.
He's not on fire, is he?
Scott. We need to find Scott. His claws were different. Twice the size of Scott's. More like talons. It's worse. I don't know how to describe it other than it felt as if the life was being drawn out of me through them. Which got me thinking about what this guy can. The rule is you have to kill an alpha to steal their power, right? I think this guy can.
Parrish!
You said something about birds, Tracy? Can I take a look? You said the skylight was sealed for weatherproofing? No, nothing. I can't do anything official right now, but I can come back after my shift tonight and watch the house for a couple hours. I think I'll be okay. I wouldn't do it if I didn't think something strange was going on. I also owe you. Digging through every piece of old literature and mythology, trying to figure out there's something strange going on with me. Don't you have school tomorrow? How can you only have one class?
I had enough credits to graduate last year. And
Medium Americano. Black.
sorry I wasted your time.
Not a total waste. I'm just glad Tracy's okay.
I'll be...
Just tell me. Mr. Stewart, are we gonna have trouble?
I'm gonna kill... Remember, it was well documented. Deputies...
Scott, is that you? I've got an answer to why we couldn't find Tracy last night. She was in the hospital.
Doing what?
Killing her psychiatrists.
Let Scott know, but tell him I don't want them getting into it yet.
Should we be putting him on the payroll?
I'm starting to wonder.
You gonna do a magic trick? I only know one trick, and it's with a playing card. This is sounding less like a magic trick and more like assault.
That's your deputy sheriff's card.
Not entirely. I had to pay for the uniform. I think I've seen something like this in a movie. Remind me what the trick was? Ah, son of a... Okay. What happened? Are you okay? A dream.
Dream.
I'm walking in the woods carrying a body. But it's completely burned. I can't see who it is or who it was. A clearing. It's just a stump.
It's real. It's a real tree.
What's an hematome? I've never seen this place.
It drew you here.
I put the body down. I lay it on the rings of the trees, and... nothing. That's it. That's the end of the dream. I only know one trick, and it's with a playing card. Officially, I'm here to gather eyewitness testimony. Unofficially, I'm trying to find something to watch, but the only thing that comes in is... You like kung fu movies? I know a little jujitsu. In the army, they taught us CQC. You want to learn jujitsu, hand to hand? Yeah. I can teach you.